How's it guys, I'm Udini and I'm here to talk to you about the PCBuilder Hydro Chill series, which is the liquid cooler range from PCBuilder. The PCBuilder Hydro Chill range currently consists of the 240 and the 360mm range. And what we're going to do now is we're going to pretend that we've just ordered it, it's just arrived at our house, and we're going to unbox it and look at it for the first time. PCBuilder's Hydro Chill liquid cooler range are CPU coolers that have been designed to be affordable as well as easy to install. The Hydro Chills are designed to work with mid to high level CPUs, and on an Intel front they are compatible with 115X or all the levels in 115, 2011, 1200 and 1700, and on AMD they are compatible with AM3, AM4 and AM5. The 240 is a 240mm radiator that has two PWM fans, while the 360 is a 360mm radiator that has three PWM fans. Note that if you do want to enact PWM, this is something that you're going to have to do in your computer's BIOS. The fans of the 240 and the 360 operate from 800 to 1800. Both coolers are made from quality parts, with the radiator being made from aluminium. For the heating elements, they contain copper, as well as the radiator head containing ceramic bearings. Both units use the standard 4-pin fan connectors to power the fans as well as the pump, and for RGB it uses the standard 3-pin connector that you connect to your motherboard to control the RGB. Note that there is a cable inside the box that connects to SATA so that you can change the RGB effects with a push of a button. Both the 240 and 360 coolers are aimed at users who need to have effective cooling but at affordable price points, and they also need those coolers to be able to cool up to the highest tier of CPU. Its affordable cost and effective cooling makes upgrading your current PC both easy and convenient, and in each box you will find the cooling unit with the fans pre-installed, the different CPU mounting kits, the bracket mounting kits, as well as an instruction manual. Start building with PCBuilder. Guys, I'm Udini. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, please feel free to leave them on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.